Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel, do check out my other videos and please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified of all the videos that I upload. This is a product that I have ordered from the company Enagen Bio. So let's unbox this. So this is the product Enagen Bio, and it is a nano infuser micro needling serum applicator. It makes this hair serum works 2 times faster. It increases the hair density and growth. It has a dual benefit of micro channel formation of stem cell simulation. In simpler words, if you can see this is the kind of applicator which is there created by Enagen Bio, and this is very revolutionary if you ask me. If you have gone to a dermatologist for hair treatment, the dermatologist might have told you regarding the derma rolling treatment. So basically it's a roller with so many spikes, and they use it to basically roll that around on your scalp to create this very micro with the use of micro needles, very micro points, so that whatever you're applying on your scalp, it gets penetrated better into the scalp. Say for example, if you're suffering from hair fall or hair is thinning in some particular area, then you can definitely go for this. So it's a micro needling serum applicator suitable for all hair types, they have mentioned, and you have to use this twice a day on a dry scalp with hair growth serums. Do not use this on your own. With a hair serum you have to use, and on a dry scalp. Obviously, for hygiene reasons, you should not share this with anyone else. Use this for your own skin only.